question kasi when it comes to Bulacan, when we say Bulacan, guys, we all know this, that when we say Bulacan, Bulacan is prone from flooding.
Flood.
Di ba kasi nga, uso yung flood control. Ayan, Bulacan ang laging topic sa news na laging binabaha. Welcome to Silaya Residences by Vistaland, located here at Barangay Matuwaw, Bulacan, Bulacan. The newest condominium by Vistaland that's perfectly positioned for the future. Hello guys, andito na naman tayo sa another property tour ni Vistaland. So right now, andito tayo sa sample unit ni Silaya Residence, which is located here in Bulacan, Bulacan. So as you can see, this is the sample unit with 1 bedroom, 30.26 square meter. So I have here my colleague, yan. We will be discussing later the computation, the price list, the promos of this project. So right here. So andito ngayon, meron tayong overhead kitchen cabinet, same with the other projects, sorry. And of course, meron din tayong countertop, and dito sa part na to, yung magiging toilet and bath natin. Yan. So, we also have the provision for the washing machine here on the side. Yan. Diba? Actually, yung CR, spacious na rin siya. So, on the other side naman is the bedroom. So, this is the master's bedroom, and yan. Kung ano nakikita nyo, yan, this is all sample unit. Pwede nyo itong gayahin once na ma-turn over sa inyo yung property. So, we have here the cabinet, yan. Malaki yung cabinet, actually. Yan. On the other side naman, of course, yung pinaka-living area natin, yan. You can put your sofa here, of course, your television. Yan. Actually, napakaganda ng pagkakagawa ng sample unit na to. Yan. So, by the way, guys, this property actually is very near to the upcoming New Manila International Airport. I think that's around 10 minutes drive lang. And very near also to Philippine Arena. Hello guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And kanina, pinakita ko na sa inyo yung sample unit ni Silaya Residence. And right now, I have here my colleague again, Miss Daisy Mendoza, of course. And bago natin makakasama si Mr. Lucho Peñero. Yan.
Hi.
So, we have questions here na sila yung sasagot sa atin. Yan. Kasi mga veterans na to dito sa real estate. And of course, first question, this project is actually located in Bulacan, Bulacan, di ba? Kasi merong ginagawang New Manila International Airport, di ba? So, I heard very near siya. Estimate niyo po, mga ilang minutes away siya from the project?
Mga 10 minutes away.
So very near lang talaga siya.
10 minutes.
Okay. So, 10 minutes, di mas malapit na rin siya sa Philippine Arena.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is the project of Vistaland.
Vistaland.
So, typically, we have here, anong mga units natin? Studio,
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom. So, lahat naman yan, meron tayong mga available units.
Yes.
Yes. Nice.
Pero limited lang yung bedroom.
Limited na lang yung 2
2
bedrooms.
bedrooms.
So, ang medyo maraming inventory, yung
Studio and 1 bedroom.
studio and 1 bedroom. So, magkano naman yung studio?
Around 5.1.
5.1 million. So, this is pre-selling, di ba?
Yes.
Ang turnover niya is by year
2030.
2030. So, kung pre-selling siya, 5 million siya, magkano magiging monthly natin dito?
Approximately mga nasa 14,000.
14,000, and how many months to pay?
48 months.
48 months siya,
Yes.
so 4 years lang siya.
Yes.
Actually, mabilis na rin naman ang years ngayon, hindi mo na rin mamamalayan. So, yan, may discount ba to?
Yeah. For now, nag-offer si company ng 150,000.
150,000.
Yes.
So, deductible naman yun dun sa contract price, no?
Yes.
Tapos, 48 months to pay yung
14,000.
ang mura, 14,000. Yeah.
Affordable siya.
Very affordable pa siya on this time, no? 14,000 monthly. So, meron pa tayong loanable amount niyan.
Yeah.
So, yung 14,000 ano yun? Ilang percent yun ng contract price?
Actually, nasa 15% siya.
Okay. So, kung 15% ng 5 million, tapos, ayun yung i-divide natin ng 48 months, kaya naging 14,000.
Yes.
Okay. Tapos, yung 85% is roughly nasa,
Roughly nasa 4.1.
nasa 4.1.
Yeah, that's for studio unit.
Okay. Sa 1 bedroom naman?
Okay, for 1 bedroom, ang price range niya is nasa 6.9 to 7.2 million.
Tapos same discount.
Yeah,
Same discount.
Okay, 150,000. Tapos same for years to pay for 48 months. So
Yes.
ang monthly niya is around
20,000.
At 20,000. O, konti lang. So, kung ako kukuha
Yeah.
ng unit, much
One
better
bedroom
sa
ka
one
na.
bedroom. Kasi yung
Right.
pinakita ko kaninang unit, yung sa sample
Ganda,
unit,
diba?
spacious na siya. Oh, napakaganda niya. And the design actually, pwede nilang ipagaya yon in the
Yeah.
future kung gusto nila.
Yes.
So, how about yung reservation pa? I forgot to ask. Yung sa reservation ng property. So, ang alam ko dito, magkakaiba ba? Tama ba? ako?
Magkakaiba yan.
Ang studio is,
Studio is 20,000.
and ang one bedroom
One
is,
bedroom is 30,000.
and,
2 bedroom is 50,000.
okay. So, 20,000, 30, and 15,000.
Yes.
Another question, available ba to sa Pag-ibig, bank loan, in-house, or
Actually, available lang siya through bank financing, in-house, or cash pay.
Okay, so hindi siya advisable for Pag-ibig.
Yes.
Actually, normal naman ata siya when it comes to condominium projects. Hindi totally lahat. Hindi lahat ina-accept ni Pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig.
Parang house and lot lang usually ang tinatanggap ni Pag-ibig when it comes to loaning. No? Tama. Yung amenities, kumpleto naman na to. Yan, ano na rin siyang swimming
Yes,
pool,
swimming pool,
fitness gym,
fitness
clubhouse, yan. Mga typical na amenities sa isang project. So, ano yung bago dito na wala sa ibang projects or anong meron dito na wala sa ibang developers?
So, for us, yung landscape part niya.
Okay.
Then, yung mga, although may mga commercial hubs din naman.
Mhm.
So, kumbaga, convenient na rin sa mga investor or sa mga future rentals, renter mo.
Okay.
Tsaka especially yung open spaces natin doon sa community. Sa
Malaki ang
Yes.
open space ng project. Maganda kung gano'n. Kasi kung gano'n, mas maganda magiging landscape ng property. Kung open space. Kumbaga, hindi nila tinagtag doon sa isang area na puro building lang. Ano yung mga nearest establishments within the area naman? Like, aside din sa nabanggit nating kakaroon ng Numa Manila International Airport, then how about the schools, hospital? Meron naman tayo dito, no?
For school, meron tayong CEU,
Mm-hmm.
Bulacan State University, and then, yun, may mga future pa na ipapataw yung mga university or schools na malapit within that area.
Okay. And question, kasi when it comes to Bulacan, when we say Bulacan, guys, we all know this, that when we say Bulacan, Bulacan is prone from flooding.
Flood.
Di ba kasi nga, uso yung flood control. Ayan, Bulacan ang laging topic sa news na laging binabaha. How would you encourage the future buyers na this property is not bahain, kumbaga?
For us, hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na flood-free kasi Bulacan is known as
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Bulacan is
Bulacan itself.
Uh,
So, meron kasi tayo or merong ginawa si government na application which is called NOAA. So, you can check there if yung area na yun is madalas bahain.
Okay.
Saka naka-elevate din naman yung
Yes.
property.
Naka-elevate tayo 2.5 meters.
Yes.
Elevated yung
Yes.
property ng 2.5 meters.
Yes.
So hindi talaga na siya mababa kung elevated siya ng 2.5.
Yes.
Ayun guys, hindi porket bahain si Bulacan, automatic na. Siyempre, si developer naman, hindi naman siya magtatayo. Any developers naman, not just Vistaland, hindi naman sila nagtatayo ng isang project na mababaha, di ba?
Mababaha.
Kung mabaha man yung area, they make sure the property itself, hindi siya nababaha. So, ang ginawa nila, they elevate the property into 2.5 meters. Oh, very good, very nice. So, is this applicable to all buyers? Sino yung mga target market ng project na to? What do you think?
For us, I think OFW,
OFW.
na mga gustong magkaroon ng passive
Mm-mm.
income. What's
Newly couple. Ganyan.
Pwede sila mag-start dyan.
Yes.
So, anong advantage nito ni Silaya compared dun sa sa ibang projects niya sa within the area?
For me, siguro dahil malapit na siya sa New Manila International Airport. So, yung development kasi is magbo-boom. Imagine mo na lang yung Clark International Airport, di ba? Dati, wala siyang development as in airport lang. Pero once na natayo siya, ang dami ng nagsulputang mga
Establishments.
building, yung sa mga job opportunities, ganyan. So, technically, this project is magbo-boom din dahil i-develop din naman yung mga surroundings.
Okay. So tama naman kasi mostly naman sa mga ganitong development area, maganda ring mag-invest dun sa ongoing pa lang, yung parang dinidevelop pa lang yung property. Kasi in the long run, in the next 2 to 3, 5 years, yung price niya ngayon compared to the upcoming year, hindi na siya ganyang price. Either mag-i-increase yan ng doble or triple.
Kumbaga, yun yung iti-take advantage ni client.
Oo. na mag-invest ngayon since pre-selling pa lang siya. Yan.
Exactly.
Actually, maraming projects si Vistaland na sold out na eh. Na tingnan mo ngayon, dati nabenta lang around 3 million.
Yeah.
Currently, the price when I check it, it's around 7 million na pinakamura for the studio.
Yeah.
So, di ba? So, yan guys, kung gusto niyo mag-invest, always pwede niyo i-grab yung pre-selling kung nag-i-start up pa lang kayo, magkaroon ng passive income. Nagiging passive income lang naman si real estate kapag, syempre, nagiging investment siya kapag ipaparenta mo yung property mo. Pero it's your choice naman. Kung marami naman kayong pera, kahit hindi nyo naman na siya iparenta, pwede mo naman siya tirahan. If you want, di ba? A luxury living kasi very...
Retirement home.
Retirement home, tama.
Retirement portfolio.
Oo. Yeah. Tapos pwede mo rin siya, kung nagsawa ka na tumira sa condo na yun, pwede mo naman siyang ibenta with
Sale. Yeah.
a higher price na, of
Higher
course.
price.
Oo, hindi mo naman siya
Tutubo ka
mabebenta.
na.
Oo, hindi mo na siya mabebenta ng price nung binili mo siya this year actually.
Yeah.
Yan.
So, parang yun yung sinasabi nila. Instead na i-save mo yung pera mo sa bank, dahil sa laki ng inflation ngayon. Diba? So, much better na i-invest na lang sa mga properties.
Properties.
Yes. This property, nakalimutan ko kasi yung banggitin kanina, is smart features na to, di ba? Tama ba?
Yeah.
So, kasi nowadays, yan ang uso ngayon, yung di-click-click yung mga pintuan, lahat.
Smart lock.
Di ba? To remote control na lang, pwede mo nang patayin yung ilaw, etc. Blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
So, anyway, thank you, Miss Daisy Me and Sir Lucio for visiting me on my... Actually, ito lagi nandito na sa channel natin. Sir Lucio, hopefully, by next video natin, nandun ulit siya, no? Para at least yung mga questions natin, may mga sumasagot. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If you have concerns or kaya gusto nyo makita yung property, gusto nyo mag-site tripping, manghingi ng sample computation, it's all free, guys. All you have to do, just message us. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye!